Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to fill material in Photoshop. Now see this material you can use fully fill or selected fill. I use selected fill. Hold Control for now see this full selected and Control D for remove the simply selected area. Quick selection tool use or magic control. I use magic control for the text. Click the color, double click and select color, then Ctrl J for best way, duplicate layer and first of all fill anything for any image, click and drag it. Okay, right click on your mouse, create clipping mask, zoom out, hold Ctrl T, hold shift for the fixed size. And another way to first of all duplicate layer this, then select duplicate layer, go to Apex, pattern overlay, select pattern, find your pattern, opacity, scale. Now click OK. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.